Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Stargazer Wallet application using your mobile device. So the first thing to do is to launch Open Stargazer application from your app drawer, and you will come across this interface where you'll be prompted to enter your password. Every time you open up your wallet, you will need to enter your password, so make sure that you remember your password in order to get access to your wallet. If you don't remember your password, you can recover your wallet from seed phrases. Tap on recover from seed phrase at the bottom and enter your backup phrases in the correct order. If you want to log in using your password, enter your correct password in the text box and tap on unlock in order to open up your wallet and log into it. So that's how easily you can sign into your Stargazer Wallet application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you will never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.